What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm finally posting a tech video. I know I announced it a couple weeks ago, but today I finally had the time to actually do it. This product is probably not what you guys expected since this is a drumming channel, but I did say I was going to do tech stuff. This is tech. This is what I do use all the time when I edit videos. This is a good product. I have recommended it to several people. A buddy of mine from Miami just bought one off of my recommendation since he was asking how he can make his computer faster. It don't necessarily make your computer faster, but if you do your projects off of it, it will make your projects go faster. Especially if your computer has a regular hard drive in it. A solid state drive is a lot faster, even the external ones if your USB is 3.0 or 3.1. But anyways, it's the Extreme Portable SSD from SanDisk. They have the 250 gig, they have the 500 gig, and they have the 1 terabyte version. These are solid state drives. I have the 250 gigabyte version because it's all I really need, because I only do projects with these. And then I dump after my projects are over. I do about 3 or 4 projects on one, and all of my footage is in 4K, but they're only, you know, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Sometimes if the song's 6 minutes. This will fit 3 or 4 projects, and then once I'm done with those projects, I dump it over into a regular hard drive for storage. If I'm losing any of you guys, I apologize, but I will try to explain a little better. So the reason why this thing is so good is because it reads and writes at 400 megabytes a second. The writing is actually, I think, 370, which a regular hard drive is about 98. And then the read on this is 400, 420. When you're editing a video off of this drive, you're editing it and it's reading the footage at 400 megabytes a second. And that's actually a big deal, because if you have a regular hard drive and you're trying to edit, I was editing a lot of my videos on just a regular hard drive, which a regular hard drive only reads and writes at 98 megabytes. I mean, do the math, 98 megabytes on a regular hard drive to 400 megabytes on this. I mean, it's kind of obvious of why I use these when I edit. But now the new computer that I got, it has a solid state in it, a 500 gigabyte solid state in it, so I don't use this as much. But another thing this is good for is whenever you're doing a project and you do the project on this, and say I'm doing it for my church, which I do some of their editing for the church when there are announcements and stuff. I will be doing a project and I make sure it's on this if it's a church announcement video. Then I will be home editing it on Final Cut, and then I can go to my church's computer and edit it. As long as I bring this, it'll be the same project, same everything. I plug this in, I open up the project, and it's there. So that's another cool thing about having one of these. They're fast and you can switch from computer to computer as long as they have Final Cut. That's really all I have to say about it. It's not really a review, it's more of a recommendation. I would highly, if you're having trouble editing your video, it'll work with Windows or Mac. So I would highly recommend this to you guys. I will have the link in the description. Another thing about it is it's very portable. It's this big, it's very portable. It fits in your hand. You can throw it in your pocket literally and you won't even notice it's there. Your back pocket, your front pocket, you will never know it's there. I keep it in my book bag. It's never in the way, it's super small. Another cool thing about this hard drive is it has a rubber protective coating around it. Like, you can drop it, throw it around, it's really gonna be okay. It's not like a hard drive where it moves. It's a flash drive, so you can throw it and it'll be okay. It has a rubber coating around it, so that's another cool thing about it. It is shock resistant. It has USB to USB-C, front and back. Both sides of the cord is USB-C, and then it comes with an adapter. This external SSD is also water resistant, IP55 rating, so that's pretty cool too. I've never had to experience or use it or put it out in the rain. That is one cool thing to know, that it is IP55 rating. It works great, it's really fast. So I would highly recommend it. Links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.